Oh, that is too cool. Dad? You are going to protect me, aren't you? Oh, yeah. First it was a horse, and now it's a big fish. He talks too.
How's the helicopter?
Sorry. You don't like
I think my battery's not very good, and I can't get enough lift.
Oh! Find the batteries, or you got to pull those out, or did you? Oh, I have.
I got started it.
Okay,
Wait,
I'll leave them.
Whoops, sorry.
No! No!
There's not enough
What's
to
it?
get it up in the air.
What's it, Nash?
That's as strong as I can make it.
No, that couldn't be good. What kind of batteries does it take then?
Well, yeah, I know. Here, that's what you're doing. Wait, don't. Oh yeah, I'm doing an adjustment. Okay.
That's already something else. Yeah.
Yeah, it's. I think the battery has gotten so old in it that it's just not holding enough of a charge. It finally did say
Very good.
charge.
Oh,
but-
Yeah, but I mean, something's locked up that it's rotating over.
It's the